Have you ever had that time when you literally are scrambling through your closet? Maybe you got a pile of clothes on the floor and you're trying to decide, what do you wear to that event that you're going to? And you put an outfit on, you look in the mirror and you question, do you look the part? Does it look appropriate? Is it something that you should wear? And then you just wear it, you walk out the door and you end up fussing with it all night long because maybe it doesn't fit quite right, or you feel like, wow, I wish I would have dressed up just a little bit more. I remember having that feeling. Hi, I'm Annette Bond, certified image consultant, and I work with successful, amazing business women just like you, helping you to create a signature wardrobe that is uniquely you, that has you getting dressed with ease. I help you to bring in those pieces to create those outfits that will serve your lifestyle. I find so much of the time women don't have the appropriate outfit for the appropriate events that are coming up in their life. I call this dressing with intention. And what does that mean? It means that you are not only dressing with intention of how you want to be seen, how you want others to view you, what you want others to notice about you, but it is going shopping for the purpose of you have events in your life. For example, maybe you have very high-end client engagements. Maybe you are speaking. It could be as simple as going to a barbecue and you never have the right pieces. Can you relate? You are not alone. So it is beginning to create a wardrobe with intention. First, it's beginning with, what do you have that's already working? For example, you may have a great black blazer. It's fabulous, but you want to be seen a little bit more. Maybe you want something added to it that's just a little bit more unique. You want people to see your authentic style. You want them to see a piece of you. So what I want to recommend, it's not that you have to go out and buy a whole new wardrobe, but it's beginning to be very intentional about what you want others to know about you. So for example, let's take this leopard fuchsia scarf. So this could serve in a couple different ways. It could be you want that pop of color, that it's something that you want to walk in the room. You don't want to necessarily be full on color, but you want that pop of color for people to see your vibrancy, that you're inspirational. Maybe it's you want others to see a little bit of your edginess, that you are somebody that thinks outside the box. So whether that's a scarf, whether it's a top, think about what you want others to know about you. So let's use the top that I have on as an example. And I want to first just talk about the color white. So very opposite of the vibrancy of the fuchsia and the animal print, but white has a personality that says you're refined, you're organized, you're elegant. So whatever that is for you, whatever that, I'm going to actually recommend choosing one word. What is it you want to be intentional about when you show up? So I talked about being organized, being elegant, refined. Maybe it's edginess. Maybe it's you want them to see your vibrant personality. Maybe you're a little bit more of a sporty kind of gal. You're a little bit more subtle. You're not that see me, but you want that comfortable feel that's a little bit more dressed down. So I love this jacket because it is a jean jacket, but it also has the gingham print that gives a little bit of uniqueness. So, when you go shopping, instead of finding that first thing that fits, you look in the mirror and you say, "Oh, it fits. I'm going to take it home." No, no, no. I want you to be intentional. I want you to think about the various events that are going on in your life. And every time you go to get dressed, you always have that void. So it could be a full-on new outfit. It could just be one single piece, as I showed you with the scarf. Or it could be just a color. It could even be as simple as you need to have the right shoes. And this is exactly what I help my clients do, is to find those missing gaps in your wardrobe, to discover what are those events over and over that you're looking to align your wardrobe with. And let's create that signature wardrobe that is uniquely you, that is aligned with your lifestyle. I want to invite you to AnnetteBond.com/style confidence and to download the Get Style Confident guide. And in part 3, I talk about going to your closet. I talk about pulling out that one piece that makes you feel like $1,000,000, and how do you start creating an intentional wardrobe.